Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage headlight control on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the vehicle settings. I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance, and here you guys go to lights. In the lights, we have the headlight control. Now, the best way to use our headlights is, of course, the auto mode, but sometimes the auto mode can also be mistaken. That's why you guys can also go over and just switch it to, we got three types of the headlight controls, of course, not counting off and auto. Here we can select auto, and now we get the LEDs because it is pretty much the day, and in Europe you drive with the LEDs. And as you guys can see, now you can switch it off, of course, but remember, too many inputs and it will stop working. Now we got every single light enabled. Same goes here, and here we just get the LEDs. So that's how you guys can manage your headlight control. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.